Hello gardeners, this is Nishat and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share how to recover bud drop problem or fruit drop problem of chili plant. In this video, I'm going to cover what are the reasons behind this problem and what will be the management. So, let's get into it. And also, I will share a fertilizer that actually reduces this blossom drop or bud drop and fruit drop problem, and these guidelines I am going to share are for all varieties of chili plants, that mean also for bell peppers or capsicum. Now there are 6 main reasons are responsible for this problem, and now I am going to discuss about those problems, those reasons, and also with the treatments. Number 1, plant's maturity. For producing lots of fruits, plants should be mature enough. Some varieties produce fruit in 60 days from sowing and others take as long as 120 days, that means 4 months. But chili plants produce flowers within 2 months from sowing, but those are actually male flowers, and obviously male flowers do not produce chilies, so that they fall off, and that is normal. For producing female flowers and fruits, plant has to store food and energy. So for this, chili plants take about 5 to 6 months to produce female flowers. Number 2, pollination. Sometimes flowers fall off due to lack of pollination. Here pollination is the act of transforming pollen grains from male anther of a flower to the female stigma, and through this process female flower become fertile and produce fruits. For this transformation, wind, insects, obviously beneficial insects, and water work as agent. Due to lack of airflow and beneficial insects, pollination does not occur, and that causes flower fall off. Now here chili flowers are self-fertile. That means flowers contain both anther and stigma, but they need a little bit of vibration or gentle airflow. In this case, hand pollination is effective, or placing the plant in an air circulate area. This will allow pollination and will help to minimize this bud drop or blossom drop problem. Number 3, watering. Less watering or overwatering are also responsible for bud drop problem. Too much watering increases the foliage production, and on the other hand, with less water, plant goes into stress and drop its flowers and fruits. Water the plant when 2 inches of soil surface dry out, but reduce the watering a little bit when plant start to produce flowers or holding fruits. Number 4, fertilizer. Chili is a heavy feeder plant. Every month this plant wants something or other food, but at the flowering stage this plant needs extra care, and this is most important. At the flowering stage, plant need potassium and phosphorus rich fertilizer, and based on that, I have used a very common but effective fertilizer, and that is banana peel. What I did, every month I bury 1 or 2 peels in soil. This is a small plant and grown in a 8-inch terracotta pot, but every couple of months this produces about 20 to 25 chilies. Banana peels provide instant phosphorus and potassium, and is also increase microbial population of soil and makes soil fertile. However, with this fertilizer I also gave an inorganic fertilizer every 15 days, and already I have made video on that inorganic fertilizer and link in the description box. So now do not throw banana peels because it is a good fertilizer. Use it and you will definitely get good result. Number 5, pest. Pest also can be responsible for this blossom drop problem. Here I am showing an insect known as bud worm, and these worms actually chew the flower buds so that flower buds cannot open, and through this they destroy flowers. Also mealybugs and aphids stick on flower buds and suck sap from flower buds. That also cause falling of flowers. My plant also was infested by aphids, so I used a homemade pesticide which was worked 100% against aphids and mealybugs, and I made video on that, link on the description box. You can also use neem oil, and always try to use organic pesticides. Number 6, environmental condition. Sometimes sudden changes of weather can be responsible for this bud drop problem. At the beginning of the summer season, my plant was also dropped lots of flowers and leaves, and also was a little bit of stressed. So what I did, I followed a constant watering schedule and gave it some time for recover. Within 2 weeks, it started to produce new growth. So sometimes weather condition can be fact for blossom drop problem, and it's a normal thing. So guys, that's it. Hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.